This song's called Made in America.
Policy that you gotta learn. Casinos, amigos on 40 acres, they put the shit in our backs, made in America. Living in terror all while they terrorize. So cover your eyes, cause people terrified. And fuck all the promises you were promised, cause they're cutting your oxygen till you paralyzed. Where we land is where we fall. All for one, none for all. No stars, dead bodies on the boulevard. Cop cars, true killers, and they still Lord. Where we land is where we fall. Home of the big bodies and wide blocks. The government giving ghettos that crack rock. Making quotas on baking soda and mad shot. This ain't no theory, I saw it happen on my block. Homie Hector selling heroin from 9 to 5. My brother's burning down the block and Riley almost died. We giving thanks for measles, blankets, and genocide. They call it cleaning up the streets, we call it homicide. Where we land is where we fall. All for one and none for all. No stores, dead bodies on the boulevard. Cop cars, true killers, and they still in Lord. Where we land is where we fall.
Thank you so much, y'all.